Hey guys, hope you're doing well. Just wanted to make a quick video at the end of the year and just say thanks for all the support. 2021 has been a bit interesting, kind of like 2020 was interesting, but I've continued to have a lot of fun making all these videos here on YouTube and just kind of sharing my photography journey with you. I love creating these tutorial videos where I'm just editing photos and talking about photography. But you know, I had to get out of the office. I spend so much time sitting in that chair. If you've seen my videos, you know what I'm talking about. The same background, the same spot. What you may not know is when I turn this direction in the office in real life, I basically make, a 90-degree turn. I've got another computer and another monitor, and that's for my day job. So many of you know, and many of you may not know, I have a day job. So I sit there and I work, you know, the typical office work hours. And then in my free time, I turn that way and I get on my big 4K monitor with my MacBook Pro, and I pound away at photography stuff. And I love it, but it gets a little tiring. And so I had to get outside and just kind of step away from it all and get out of nature, which is kind of where I find myself recharging. And I'll admit, I haven't really done enough of that in the last year or two. You know, I've just stuck at home like many of us, and I've just kind of pounded away. And I've loved doing what I've done with YouTube and making all these videos, and I'm gonna keep doing it. But I want to do some things different, and that's kind of what I wanted to talk about briefly in this video today. So a couple of years ago, I made, you know, a few different kinds of videos, some vlogs where I go out and kind of take you along with me while I'm doing some sort of photography, a couple of videos where I've traveled and done things like that, as well as some like opinion videos where I ask a question about photography and try to answer that through the video. And in the last year and a half, maybe 2 years, I've kind of really just gotten deep into the tutorials. And like I said, I love it. I'm gonna keep doing it. It's something that I just really enjoy doing. But there's a bit of monotony that sets in when you do the same thing over and over. And some of that is, let's call it self-imposed. That's just because I've chosen to do that. But you know, hey, we've all got free will. We can kind of do whatever we want. And in this case, that's one of the things I want to do a little bit differently in 2022, is just work in some different videos where I work on or talk about some different subjects, do some different kind of content for you. Obviously all photography related, but maybe I'll bring you out here where I'm shooting something and just kind of walk through the shot that I'm setting up, what settings I have, what gear I have, what I'm trying to do, and what I hope to achieve, and then take it back and edit the photo and see if I did it. Think about things like that, maybe some gear reviews here and there, just different kinds of things, just to mix it up a little bit, because I love doing all these kind of videos. I just don't do enough of that other stuff. And so I want to work that into the kind of the rotation, for lack of a better word. But I also wanted to ask you guys a question, and that is there something particular that you're looking for that you would like me to cover or address, or just kind of, you know, work into the rotation here on the channel? I love the community here. My favorite thing, honestly, about the YouTube channel here and everything that I do is just having the interaction with you all via the comments. I feel like there's a lot of names that I recognize, people that consistently leave comments and send me emails and things like that, and I appreciate that. I read all of them. I try to answer all of them. I don't make it. It's just, there's too many. But I really enjoy that community aspect. I even see people leaving comments on other people's comments and helping answer questions for me and that sort of thing. So all that is super awesome. I just absolutely adore that about this this whole YouTube community. And so that's honestly my favorite thing about it, is just engaging with you all. Now, of course, it's basically a one, you know, unidirectional sort of communication, me creating videos and posting them, but being able to interact with you all is just super fun and rewarding. So thanks for that. I appreciate that. I love hearing opinions, you know, whether you agree with me or not, that's immaterial, but you know, not everybody, most people are very civil and polite about it. And like I said, I just enjoy interacting with this community. So there'll be more stuff to hopefully spark some conversations and debates in the new year as I continue to kind of evolve what I'm doing on my channel, and hopefully bring you value in the process. That's really what it's all about for me. If I'm creating something that's valuable to you and you respond to it, that makes me feel good. It's not always about the metrics, how many subs do I have, or how many views do I get, or how many comments. It's really just about the audience and the interaction. That's my favorite part of YouTube, and I'm gonna keep driving forward, hopefully bring things to you that are valuable, that spark those conversations and debates. I learn as much from you guys as you may learn from me, and frankly, it's just a lot of fun. So here's to more of that in 2022. Thanks for watching. I just wanted to take a moment and say thank you. It's been an interesting couple of years, as I said, and you know, there's probably no end in sight, but my hope is that I can just create things that either give you an escape from it all or provide some value, like I said, and really just want to have fun in the process, and I have a lot of fun doing this. So thank you for the support. I appreciate that very much. It's the best community on YouTube by far. Just love interacting with you all, and I will see you in the new year. Thanks again for a great year on YouTube in 2021. Here's to an even better one in 2022 for all of us in all aspects. Thanks again. I appreciate it. I will see you soon, my friends. Take care, and until then, adios.